try and get... I thought I was gonna burp, but I guess it... did not pass. Goodbye. Hey guys, so welcome back. So today what I'm gonna be doing is re-dyeing my hair. Because this, I can't get the clip out of my hair, hang on. This is not what I signed up for. Alright, so let me kind of give you a little bit of a color background story. So, I want to say like about 2 months ago, I dyed my hair using Arctic Fox Poseidon and Purple Rain, which is a purple dye and a blue dye. So I basically used like a 2-to-1 ratio blue to purple. Like 1 whole bottle of blue and then half the bottle of purple. But my hair still turned out like dead ass purple. I really did like it. I did like the color that it turned out. That really wasn't even that much of an issue. I knew it wasn't going to get all the color out. You could also use like the vitamin C tablets plus the dandruff shampoo method, but it's not going to take all the color out still. With crazy colors, it's kind of inevitable that if you want to switch or if you want to go blonde, you're gonna have to use bleach again at some point, even though you really don't want to, because maybe your hair can't take it as well as it used to. So I decided to just do a regular bleach bath, basically like a 1-to-1 ratio of bleach and developer mixed with shampoo. So that's what I did. I put it over, and before this my hair was like blue. Like, once the color started fading, it started turning blue, and I just really do not understand. But it's fine. We're fine. Everything is fine. So, this color, it's not ideal. This is my hair now. This is where I'm at. There's still some pieces of purple. I don't think it'll matter once I put the dye over. If you wanted to switch to, like, a warm tone kind of color, you definitely need to probably keep bleaching it, because this ain't shit. For the color that I'm doing, it is fine. I actually wanted to go back to get Poseidon and give it another go on its own, but they didn't have it. So I am going back to my roots. The hair pun, hair joke. So today I'm using Manic Voodoo Blue, which is a color that I've used before. So yeah, I'm just gonna dive into this. I know that this is not gonna cover my entire head. I already know it, because even in the past when I didn't wear extensions, I needed like 1.5 bottles, and my hair is longer than it was then. So I would have needed 2 bottles, but I'm not gonna lie to you, my mama bought me this bottle. I didn't want to ask her to buy another one, so I'm gonna use this one, and I'm just gonna mix it with conditioner, because that might make my hair feel a little better anyways. So let's get her done. Alright. Alright, so first things first, the things that I'm going to be using are, 1, a mirror, because this ain't no goddamn no mirror hair dye challenge. I got some gloves. I obviously have the dye. A comb, the little, whew, that's wet. Little dye brush. You can have a mixing bowl, but I only have a mason jar, so here we are. Conditioner. Oh, I'm also wearing a shirt that's like a shirt that I wear to sleep that I don't really care about, but also since I still kind of care about it, I'm wearing it inside out and backwards. I also have a clip. Yeah. Last thing, I have a towel here so I don't ruin my dog, who's right behind me. So we good. Ugh. Sounds terrible. Okay, so this is what it looked like. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump the whole thing in. And thankfully, this little brush is big enough. That's not right. This little brush is small enough to actually get inside the Manic bottle. The ones that you buy at Sally's usually are not. I think this one came with like a box dye or something, and we just kept it. So now I'm gonna add conditioner in here. Still looks exactly the same. It's just added a little more to it. So I think I'm actually gonna add a little bit more. If anything, it'll make the dye a little bit lighter, but I don't even think it's done that because it literally looks exactly the same. So I'm not going to part my hair any particular way other than just splitting it down the middle. So I'll start with this because it has a lot of dye on it. Alright, so I'm going to turn my music on and we're going to do the damn thing. Can I also really quickly say that I probably should have put Vaseline all the hell over myself, but I did not. So maybe if you have the option, do that. Definitely do that, because this ain't gonna be fun. This ain't gonna be fun to scrub off. Alright, back to your, you know, regularly scheduled program. Okay, so I'm like halfway done, but I'm gonna finish this off camera because my camera's like overheating and I'm running out of space. So I'll come back to you once it's all in. Alright, this is what it looks like. I hope you can see it okay. I like how there's a girl crying in the background. It's a music video, I swear. I don't just like watch this in my free time. Alright, so now that the dye is all over my head and face and neck and just my entire self, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in for about an hour and a half. Or honestly, actually, I'm just gonna take it out whenever I'm finished writing my essay, which I haven't started yet, but is due tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on that right quick. I'm gonna go ahead and work on that. So I will come back to you guys once I have washed it out. So I can show you what it looks like wet, and then I'll show you what it looks like dry, because, yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready to see it? I don't know if you're ready, but I'm ready to show you. Yes! Okay, so this lighting isn't really doing it justice. It is the same color, but it's just a little darker on camera, but it's much brighter in person. I don't know how to show you because this is actually natural lighting, so it's weird, but it's really gloomy outside today, so we're gonna say that that's the reason that this isn't showing up well. This is the color. It's the right color. It's like a teal. I don't know if maybe when I see it like full screen it'll look different. It'll look brighter since this screen is so compact, but I can only hope. I can only hope. Alright guys, so this is it. This is what happened when I put Manic Panic Voodoo Blue on my head. Also, I'd like to really quickly say that my hair feels great. Like, it didn't feel good going into this, and I for sure thought that the bleach bath that I had done to get some of the color out was gonna be worse, but it honestly feels really good. It's definitely not repaired by any means, but have you ever held like a fresh pack of extensions and it feels like really thick and like smooth? Like that's kind of how my hair feels, but like a little like more fucked up. So yeah, but it looks, I think this color is like what are words? Okay, I really like the color. I have used this hair, I have used this dye before, Manic Panic, but specifically Voodoo Blue. But the first time I did it on my hair was a lot lighter, so it turned up mostly blue. But here, it's like definitely teal, and like, it has like certain parts that are more green, and then certain parts that are like bluer than others. But yeah, I'm overall like really happy with how it turned out and how my hair feels like really good now. Also, remember how I said that I normally need like 2 bottles of that? Well, remember how I also mix this with conditioner? I only used half of the bottle. I still got the other half, so when this starts to fade, I just slap it on in there, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great, because I feel like I want to keep this color for a while. But then again, I said that with purple, and I wanted it gone in like a week and a half, so you never really know. So thank you guys so much for watching. Ow, I hit my elbow. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this color, if you want to try this color, and let me know how you feel about Arctic Fox, because I really want to know if it's just like me. I don't know how it would just be me. I didn't do anything differently. But I don't know. Let me know. I think it smells bomb F. But I'm a Manic Panic girl, so I'm gonna stay with Manic Panic. But I will try it again. Let me know what color you think I should do next, because I am always open to suggestions. Don't forget to also hit the little, you know, bell icon to try and be notified, because again, here YouTube's not doing great at that. So it'll possibly notify you, but if not, I will probably tweet or put on Instagram something about my next video. So just go ahead and follow me there. And yeah, that's all I have. That's all I got. I'll see you guys around. Also, if you're going to Pride Parade, or even if you're not going to Pride Parade, just happy Pride. Happy Pride Month. Just be your damn self and be proud of your damn self and just love who you want to love, and everything else will work out. Alright.